Hello, my friends. Welcome to Home Decor Inspirations, your destination for refined and elevated interior design. What if I told you your living room could feel like a warm, peaceful retreat, simple, elegant, and deeply comforting every single day? Today, we're exploring more minimalist living rooms, spaces that combine simplicity and softness to create an atmosphere of calm, balance, and quiet luxury. A place that doesn't just look beautiful, but truly feels like home. And once you understand these design principles, your living room will never feel the same again. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, because if you love sophisticated interiors and inspiring spaces, this channel is made for you. For a long time, living rooms were designed to impress, filled with objects, decorated with excess, focused on appearance more than feeling. But today, luxury is evolving. It's becoming quieter, softer, more intentional. And that's exactly what defines a more minimalist living room. It's where simplicity meets comfort, where space is respected, and where every element has a purpose. Imagine walking into a living room like this. Soft sunlight filters through sheer curtains. Warm tones wrap the space in a gentle glow. A comfortable sofa invites you to sit and relax. Everything feels calm. Nothing feels overwhelming, because a warm minimalist space isn't about having less. It's about having only what truly matters. Now, let's explore what defines this style. First, simplicity with intention. Minimalism here is not cold or empty. It's thoughtful. Clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, carefully chosen pieces. Every item is selected with purpose, creating a space that feels light, open, and peaceful. Second, warm and neutral palettes. Color plays a central role in creating this atmosphere. Soft beiges, cream tones, warm whites, subtle earthy hues. These colors reflect light beautifully and create a sense of calm that fills the entire room. Instead of contrast, the focus is harmony. Third, natural light as the main feature. In these interiors, light becomes part of the design. Sunlight enters gently through large windows or soft curtains. It creates shadows. It adds depth. It brings life to neutral tones. The room changes throughout the day, always feeling alive yet serene. Fourth, soft and organic textures. This is where warmth truly comes in. Plush sofas, linen fabrics, soft rugs, wooden elements. Textures are layered subtly to create comfort without visual noise. You don't just see the space, you feel it. Fifth, low-profile furniture. Furniture in more minimalist spaces is often grounded and simple. Low sofas, rounded shapes, clean silhouettes. This creates a sense of stability and relaxation. Nothing feels heavy or imposing. Everything feels approachable. Sixth, curated decor. Instead of many objects, you'll find just a few. A ceramic vase, a simple coffee table, a small plant, a carefully chosen piece of art. Each element has space around it, and that space is what gives it meaning. Seventh, connection to nature. Even in minimal interiors, nature plays an important role. Natural materials, soft greenery, organic shapes. These elements bring life into the space without disrupting its calmness. They add a subtle, refreshing energy. Eighth, lighting as ambience. When the sun goes down, the atmosphere remains soft. Warm lamps, indirect lighting, gentle glows. The goal is to create a cozy environment that helps you slow down and unwind. Lighting is never harsh. It's always inviting. Ninth, emotional comfort. More than anything, a more minimalist living room is about how it makes you feel. Safe, relaxed, at ease. It's a space where your mind can rest, where you can disconnect from noise and reconnect with yourself. Now imagine this. You arrive home after a long day. The room is filled with soft, golden light. The sofa looks inviting. The air feels calm and quiet. You sit down. There's nothing distracting you, nothing demanding your attention, just warmth, simplicity, and peace. That's the power of a well-designed, warm, minimalist living room. It's not about decoration. It's about intention. It's about creating a space that supports your lifestyle, your mood, and your well-being. When all these elements come together, light, texture, color, and simplicity, your living room becomes more than just a place to sit. It becomes a sanctuary, a place to breathe, to slow down, to feel at home. If you want more ideas like this to transform your home into a calm and luxurious experience, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments, what's the one thing you would remove from your living room to make it feel more peaceful? I'd love to know. Thank you for being here. And I'll see you in the next video, where we turn everyday spaces into extraordinary living.